I am Amosolan. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to explain to you how I'm getting my own Shiba Inu free on this website, free.shiba.limited. Is very awesome, where you get your own free Shiba Inu. You just complete a simple task and you have over millions of Shiba Inu coins. And you know, in the cryptocurrency world now, Shiba Inu is also one of the top currency that is topping also right now. Very, very hot. So I'm here to explain to you how to do it. This is my own dashboard. I'm going to forward the link to you where you get your own also done. When you see the link, you click on the link and you will register also now. Now this is how I did mine. I have a task that I complete every day when I log in, and in this task you can see my own also. You see what I'm doing in the achievement. I get the achieve dice, auto faucets, manual faucets, wheel of fortunes, mining, short link, PTC, lottery, task. You know, these things, they are all one of the things I did every day where I get my own Shiba Inu. I get over millions of Shiba Inu every day. Now this short link. Now you see when you click on it, you have over 60 tasks. It's the 2 tasks there, and you will click on it just to click, and you click to the website, back to it, and you have your own tokens, over thousands of it. You will click on this PTC also. You have over 253 tasks you can complete there to get. You see the amount of tokens you can get if you complete all the tokens there. You have over 223,900 tokens you can get here. And you see, by just clicking on this now, I will have my own 25,500 tokens within 50 seconds, and this one within 3 seconds I will have 7,500 tokens. Every 3 seconds I'll be having that one. So when I click on it, it will go like that. And let's go to another one also, which is a task. You have several things. You have about 17 tasks you can complete. This way is where you're going to get a lot of tokens. Where if you do a video like this and post it on YouTube, you have over 17 million tokens of Shiba Inus. So if you do blog, you post on blog, you write a blog on Shiba Inu, within at least 200 words, you have about 1 million tokens. And if you do Shiba Inu photo websites, you have over 6 million tokens. Several types are very much here, which even if you can complete this one, you can withdraw your tokens as long as you're doing. But minimum of withdrawing is 15 million, and you see all this one have over 17 millions 500 tokens. And when you do also, you post on, you write a words over 200 words, you have over 1 million tokens. You have like 1 million tokens, and you have Photoshop enough, you have over 6 million tokens. So there's a lot of where to claim it. So it's not that it's difficult. It's not difficult to get. So do your own now. And also I will send the link where you are going to get your own done, and you will claim your tokens today, and you will withdraw freely. This is how I did it. Thank you.